Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I wanna tell you about how to make a static routing with two routers and with virtual. First, you can open your VirtualBox or virtual machine first. This I use the VirtualBox, and for the engine I use the Pinet Lab. And after your VirtualBox is open, you can start your EVNG or Pinet Lab. But today I use the Pinet Lab for the engine. Okay, wait until the Pinet Lab start. Okay, wait. This is for take a while. And after your engine start, you can access this IP or this IP or this link. Use your browser. And today I will use the Google Chrome, and you can type your IP. For the example, like my IP is 172.20.3.175, and you can enter, and you now go to the Pinet Lab web. And after that, if your Pinet like this, the default username is admin, and the password is Pinet. And for the console, use the HTML console, and you can log in. After that, make new lab or use your lab before. And for today, I wanna create new lab, and for the naming is up to you. And for the example, like static routing to routers, and for the version is one, and for the author is up to you too. And you can add. And if like this, you can right click and make sure you have done add the MikroTik router OS to your Pinet Lab. And right click and click node and choose the MikroTik router OS. And for the numbers is two routers. And for the cameo option, you can choose all and delete like this. You can save, and after that you can add again, right click node, and you can add the virtual PC, and the numbers add is 2, and save again. Okay, if done, you can start the MikroTik and the PC. If done, if running, if start, you can click on the MikroTik to open the terminal of the PC. Wait, is a little bit lag. For the MikroTik 2, like this, and you can login first. Login with your user and password of your router. Wait, she's wait for the response. And if done like this, you can log in with your user, and for my user is admin, and the password is enter. Wait, admin, and if done, same at MikroTik 2, and if done like this, you can config the IP for MikroTik 1 to the MikroTik 2. First, you can connect the MikroTik 1 to MikroTik 2 with the other one, for example, and if done, you can config the IP. For example, IP address, add address, for the IP, for example, 12, 12, 12, and 1 for MikroTik 1, and interface is Ether 1. And same like the MikroTik 2, add the IP with the IP address, add address 12, 12, 12, 2, and prefix is 24/24, and for the interface same as 1. If done, and so this is there is bug at the CLI, and you can close and open again for the terminal. If done, this is bug. You can close and open again for the MikroTik 2, and you can enter, and same like MikroTik 1, MikroTik 2. Wait until, and after this you can enter. After this, you can connect the VPC 1 to MikroTik 1, and for the Ether, for the example, I choose the Ether 4, and same you do like VPC 1 to the VPC 2, you connect to the MikroTik 2, and for the Ether is, for the example, Ether 4. And after this, you can config the VPC for the IP. For the VPC one, you can type IP 192.168 and 1 dot, for example 100, and the prefix is /24, and for the gateway is 912.968.1.1 and enter. If like this sign is successful, and do same like the VPC1. At the VPC2, you can type IP 192.168 and 2 and 100, for example, and the prefix is /24 for the VPC2, and for the gateway 192.168 and 2.1. And for if the sign like this is successful, and after that you can config the IP for the MikroTik 1 to the VPC 1 and MikroTik 2 to the VPC 2. And, you can type like IP address at, and for the IP is 192.168 and .1 and the prefix is /24, and for the interface is Ether4. This for the MikroTik 1, and for the MikroTik 2 same, for the interface is Ether4, and for the IP is 192.168 and 2 and 1. If done like this, now we can config the static routing, and for the static routing is IP route, and for the DST IP route at DST address, and for the DST address is for the IP the VPC2, and the IP is 192.168 2 and 100, the prefix /24. I think is the network, IP network, and for the gateway is 12.2. Okay, this for MikroTik 1, and for the MikroTik 2 same IP route at, and DST address is 192.198 1 and 100 1 and 0. This what the IP network for MikroTik 1 and VPC 1. And for the gateway is 12.12.12.1 and enter. At the prefix, I forgot to add the prefix after slash. Okay, for check the route, you can type IP route print. If the sign like this, AS or active static, is your static routing is successful, and you can check again, same, but the with in at the router 2, print, and the sign is AS or active static. And for the check your static routing is success or not, you can ping from the VPC1 to the VPC2, and from the VPC2 to the VPC1. Okay, let's we try. For the check is use ping and type the IP address of VPC2, and the IP is 192.168.2 and 100, and the success, and the sign is your static routing is success. And for the VPC2 to the VPC1, you can ping again. You can ping like before, ping 192.168 and 100, and you can enter, and successful. Okay, maybe that's all from me. For I could tell you for the time being. Sorry if I have some mistake, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.